They told me to shoot for the stars. Well, fuck it.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I have another wig review for you. If you are interested in seeing how I accomplished this wig and also my thoughts, make sure that you guys stay tuned. The subscription button as well as the ring right next to it so that you can be notified whenever I post my next video. I'm not gonna do too much talking. Let's jump right into this review. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So ReadyWig was so kind enough to send me this wig. I am super excited. I just want to say thank you so much, ReadyWig. Again, when you first open the box, this is how everything looks. It says ReadyWig. I love that we met and hope you enjoy the hair. And the website, if you guys want a wig, is www.readywig.com. So if you guys like how this hair looks, make sure that you guys check this hair out. In the box, it comes with a wig cap. You get 2. And then also you get some hair care information. And then you also get this bottle. You can put like water in here and spray your hair or something. This will come in handy. And then here is the wig. So I decided to get a red wig, y'all. I was like, I want to get a red wig. So this is the wig. I believe it's 24 inches. Like I said, the exact name, lengths, all that will be down below. So check it out. But this hair, y'all, look at this hair. It's so pretty. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to take this hairnet off. And let's get into this hair, y'all. First out, this is super duper soft. Do you guys see this hair? The curls are like loose. This is super pretty, and this is gonna be some back to school hair, honey. I will be wearing this in school. So this is how the lace looks. You get 3 combs in the front, and then you get a comb in the back with adjustable straps. So this is just how this looks. The lace looks super nice. This is how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. And I will say this wig is very big head friendly because it is super big. I probably should have used the wig cap that came with it because this lace is brown. I mean, it's like more my skin color. I probably should have used this one. Okay, so now that I have the wig cap on, I'm gonna now put the wig on. Alright, so as you guys see, I'm brushing through the hair very easily. This hair is soft. I do have a little bit of shedding, but nothing too crazy. This hair is super soft and it's also super long. So I'm just gonna finish combing it how I want to comb it and I'll be back. So this is just how long it is, like when it's brushed out versus not brushed out. I am truly in love with this hair. Like, first off, I'm super in love with this color. I didn't think that it was going to turn out like just this freaking cute, y'all. This hair is super easy to manage. I got minimum shedding. It's not tangling very much. It's super soft. The lace was very easy to work with. Everything will be left down below in the description box if you guys want to purchase this beautiful, beautiful wig. Also, I do have a coupon code for you that you guys can use. All you have to do is put in the code Kirrah at checkout and you can get some money off. So yes, I'm gonna stop rambling, y'all. This hair is super super pretty. So if you guys enjoyed it, make sure that you give me a big thumbs up. If you think that this hair is super duper cute, because I'm in love, make sure that you guys give me a big thumbs up as well. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I will definitely catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
Hey, that probably take her.
Another Mike D exclusive.